Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up, people? Hey, it's me, Abhinav, and it's just hold on. And it's 4:56 in the morning, guys, and I'm up early because I'm going to airport. Okay, I'm going to the airport now to pick up a cousin of mine who's coming from Delhi, and he'll be at airport by around 5:30. So let's go pick him up. Okay, it's already 5:15 now. I only have like 15 minutes to reach airport. My cousin would be on airport by like 5:30. I mean, he'll be outside by 5:30. I just left New Bombay and I only have 15 minutes, or maybe I'll have to make him wait for me to be there. But I don't think so. I would take like more than 20 minutes to be there. Because the roads are all empty, and now we get a connecting road that is from I think that is from Shivaji Nagar, or maybe like mid of like ahead of Shivaji Nagar to directly we can go to Kalina. It's like a super cool road, and the video would be super shaky because I'm in high speed now. It's like I'm on like 120 km/h speed, and okay guys, the day has just started. Ayyo, shit, this auto wala now, seriously, he just came in middle. अरे यार, गाली नहीं देंगे तो यार गुस्सा नहीं निकलेगा। बाय, मैं नहीं ब्लॉक कर रहा। Okay, so it's 5:26 and it's like 2 minutes of distance from here, and I am at airport, and I only took like half an hour to be at airport. Not even half an hour, sorry, not even half an hour, less than that. How I calculate the time usually when I'm driving or whenever I have to be somewhere is like, अरे कितना टाइम लगेगा पहुंचने के लिए? नहीं, बस 4 गाने में पहुंच जाएंगे, 5 गाने में पहुंच जाएंगे. We'll be there by like till the time 5 songs get over, or till the time 3 songs get over. See, that is how I calculate the time and the time, how much time would I take to reach. So I don't know the people today. I don't know how they are driving. Everyone is like so mad at me. पता नहीं कहाँ से लोग अंदर घुस रहे हैं, रोड में आ रहे हैं. I mean, they are coming in middle, and I have no idea like what are people up to. And I have to be at airport, but before that I have to check which terminals is my cousin coming on, because there are like 2 places where I have to go, like either the D1 or D, I don't know, it's D or it's T. T is the different thing. It's either D or it's D1, D2. I don't know. I have to go see the board, and then I'll check. He had WhatsApp me his ticket, so I'll have to go and check now. So I'm already at the airport, and I swear It only took me. See, it's 5:28. I am 2 minutes. Like I reached airport 2 minutes early. See, whatever it is, I'm always on time. How cool am I? Oh my God, I love myself. दिन है दिल की लगी. See, look at airport. I'm at airport and I'm serious. I'm serious and I'm not joking. See, I'll turn the camera and I'll put it this way so that you all can see. It's 1A. I don't know. And I have to stop the car. 1A. Shit. Where the freaking hell am I going? Am I going the right way? And I haven't got a call of my cousin till now. Let's listen. जान कर बलम जी थामी है तेरी बात. See, there are so many cops here. I don't know what's happening. See, I'm already here. I don't know what the thing is. Where do I have to wait? Should I wait here or should I wait there? This is Air India. He's coming in Air India. I'll wait here and I'll call him. Let's get down. Okay, do you know what actually happened? I was on the domestic airport waiting for my cousin and I called him. I said, किधर है यार तू? अभी तक बाहर नहीं निकला तू? कौन से टर्मिनल पे? क्या है? कहाँ पे है तू? And he was like, मैं तो T2 पे हूँ. मैंने बोला तू डोमेस्टिक में है या इंटरनेशनल में है? Like मैं तो इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट पे हूँ, तू मेरे को इंटरनेशनल पे लेने आ. I was like, dude, तू दिल्ली से आ रहा है, तू दुबई से नहीं आ रहा है, तू डोमेस्टिक पे होएगा, किसी को पूछ. You know, like he went and asked someone and he was on international, so I had to rush to international now. See, I'm already going to international now. I'm almost there, and I had no clue. I had no idea. Like I didn't knew if the domestic flights would come to international airport, but then like my cousin initially told me that it was a connecting flight. It was coming from I don't know somewhere abroad, and it had a halt in Delhi, and from Delhi it came to Mumbai. So he had a connecting flight. I mean, his flight was direct, but it was a connecting flight. So he came from there. I don't know where is the turn now. Which side should I take? No, it's straight only. I missed this highway, the new road that you take to come, like that you take from the highway to come to T2. That is directly the direct road. So I kinda missed it. So I had to come from the old road all the way. So I'm coming from this road, the old road. Yeah, I'm almost there. So I called him and I said, okay, give me like 10 minutes. It's the domestic and international are like bit far from each other, so it would take me like 10 minutes to be there. But he is like, oh, all cool, रुक जा, मैं अंदर ही बैठा हूँ, it's okay, तू आजा आराम से, slow गाड़ी चला, भगाना मत. Okay, where is the way? I have no idea where the way is. हाँ, yeah, it's here. This is the way to international airport. That is the reason we don't get much tourist here. See, look. This is the actual road to international airport. Huh? This is connecting road. It's like a minute or two away. Okay, and here we have, I don't know if okay, this is Hyatt. These are some of the like pretty good places. Like this is Hyatt, and then we have Marriott, and we have the Lalit, and I don't know which all are the other one. I'm gonna break the signal. No, should I wait or should I just go? I think I should go. It's okay. See, there is T2. It's T2 terminal. I don't know if you people can see it. There it is. Okay, he's calling me now. Okay, that's my dad. Just hold on, I'll answer. हेलो. हाँ मम्मी मैं पहुंच गया. एक सेकेंड ऑन रखो लाउड स्पीकर पर. हाँ मम्मी मैं पहुंच गया था. ये डोमेस्टिक पे नहीं आया है, ये इंटरनेशनल पे आया. मैं डोमेस्टिक पे खड़ा हुआ था. अच्छा. तो बस अभी इंटरनेशनल ऊपर जा रहा हूँ मैं. हाँ मम्मी. ओके, so I am entering T2 now. This is Marriott's, and he's gonna be there. He's standing outside. Let's see. I don't know. I don't think so. There is anyone here. Okay. I don't want. Okay, the thing is, you know what the problem is? I don't like. I haven't got my license today with me. I came in all hurry. I was like so sleepy. I don't want the cops to catch me and ask for the license because I don't have a license today, and that is so funny. Wale premium parking handicap. No, I'm not going there. Okay, I think my cousin is here. It's his call. I'll receive his call. हेलो. T2 पे खड़ा हूँ मैं. मतलब बस एंटर कर लिया मैंने T2 पे. अभी अंदर घुसा हूँ मैं. कहाँ पे? रुक जा, मैं तेरे को ढूंढता हूँ. तेरे आसपास क्या है? नहीं, तू बाहर आ गया. तू बाहर आ जा. मैं बाहर खड़ा हूँ. एयर इंडिया. हाँ, things are so funny. I came upstairs and then these people are like, this is departure, this is not arrival, so you have to go down. So I'm going down now, and he's down, and I don't know if I'll meet him today or he'll have to wait. I don't know. There are cops, so I'll just hold on, guys. Okay, there this. Okay, those were the CISF guys, and I don't know if this is the second right. Oh, what's wrong with me? I don't know where is Air India's arrival. That is the Lalit Residency. This is the Lalit Intercontinental, and like अभी तो मैं बाहर ही आ गया. I came out only now, so I have to come all the way again and enter the airport again. The international airport is so scary. I mean, it is so vast. You'll have to like go find out where do you want to go and figure out things, and I'm just vlogging, wasting my time. I have no clue what I'm doing because all my mind is in vlogging only, in the camera only. No, the actual thing is I cannot vlog also because of this, and I cannot go pick up, and I cannot use my mind only. I have no brains, dude, seriously, and this is so annoying, and I'm not gonna put this on vlog no matter what. Okay, so I took a U-turn and I'm gonna enter airport all the way again, but this time, last time I went up, but this time I'm gonna be down. I'm gonna go down. I'm not gonna take the flyover or whatever you call it, the idiot thing. Okay, shit, this is the arrival and that is departure. I should seen it. Oh shit, what the hell is this? This is the VIP car staff, arrival and car park. Okay, it's the third one. Arrival and car park is here. It is here. I've been here like million of times because at night there is this place, Blackberry. There was this place before the T2 terminal, Blackberry. You get to eat in the night, like you get it 24 hours. It's a 24 hours restaurant, and I don't know where to go. I don't know where the hell is the arrival. Okay. भैया अराइवल किधर है?
आपके सामने है, P6 में जाइए अराइवल।
P6. Okay. Okay, I have no clue where the hell is arrival. Where is P6? Shit, what the hell is wrong with these auto walas? Where the hell is P6 and how the hell do I go to P6? Yo, what's up? So I just got down at the airport, and I'm grabbing the lift now, and I'm gonna go pick him up. So let's go. These are the parking people. So you have to park your car here and then go upstairs to the arrival side. I don't know how the hell am I. Where the hell is the lift? I don't know. Okay, there is no lift here, I think so. I don't know. There is so much confusion here. I don't know. I don't know where to go, and I don't know what the hell is happening here. Let's see if there is any left. There is no left here. This is on P4, P9, P6, and I don't know. Shit, dude, this is like so much not happening actually. It's already 6 now. I mean, he's waiting from like past half an hour. Okay. Okay, so I am finally with Neeraj. Neeraj, say hi.
हाय।
तू बातें कर कुछ।
अरे क्या हाल है? अरे मैं आ गया।
So he's finally here, and it is morning now. And Neeraj, say something.
बहुत गर्मी है।
Mumbai is so hot, and people in Mumbai are also so hot. Okay, so we are going home now, and then we'll get dressed up, and then we'll eat something, and we'll go for work. गाड़ी यहाँ पे लगाई है बीच पे। He was like, भैया यहाँ मत लगाओ, नहीं आने ना। अरे कोई नहीं, कुछ नहीं होगा लगाने से। Yo, what is up, guys? So I just woke up, and it's 6:40 in the morning, and I passed out last night. I had a real sick day, and I don't feel good. I have cold, and I have a bit of fever, and I feel weak. I don't feel good. I'm sick, and I had a super cool day yesterday. We've been to many places. Um, we've been to Marine Drive. We went to Gateway of India, and then we went to Cafe Universal. Cafe Universal is a place in town. It is a very cool place. I tried Sizzlers from Cafe Universal, but I didn't actually liked it much. But I even tried prawns. I love seafood. I tried prawns. Prawns were good, and I had to drop my cousin to airport again, as in the evening he was going back. He had a flight at 10:20, I believe. So I had to go drop him back again. So we planned, let's go to Bandra and chill for a bit.
So we went to Bandra, we went to Toto's garage, if you guys know it. If you are from Bombay, you guys should know it. Toto's garage is a old, like, good old place. I mean, many people know about it. And we tried, like, we, uh, we went to Toto's garage, and then later we went to Rude Lounge. That is again in Bandra. We chilled at Rude Lounge, and then we were at Carter Road. We had, like, we ate something. We had nariyal pani. We ate bhutta, and then later I went to airport to drop him. I mean, it was a very fun day. We ate a lot, and I loved, and we did so much of fun yesterday. So we even got wet in rain. Maybe that is why I got sick, and I don't feel good now. Um, the main thing, the reason why I didn't vlog was my GoPro battery went down and my phone is broken. My iPhone is broken. Its rear camera doesn't work, and I couldn't ask my cousin to lend me his phone. I could have asked if he wasn't going home the same day, because he's traveling, he's out, and I don't want to ruin his battery. And I wanted him to save his battery because he had so much of work to do. And we were out all the time. I had car charger, but we were not in car, or not even um, in office, so that we can plug it to the charger and we can do it. So I'm gonna, like, we clicked some pictures on Snapchat. I had uploaded pictures, and he even had pictures on his phone he clicked. So I'm gonna put up all those videos and photos in the end of this vlog, so you guys could see it. But I had a killer day. I'm gonna vlog again on weekend, so I'll see you again on weekend, guys. Say best. Cheers.